Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic 2016 BMW 528i. Yes. The headlight messed up, as you see here. We have a computer here, and it got broke, damage. So it being changed, and after you change it, one will work, one will not work. So, okay. In the trunk of this car? Okay. Yeah, thank you. Water get into it? Anyhow. You see here, one side, no light here, and this side here is working. So I believe it have to be initialized or have to be programmed. So let's go ahead and see what the requirement. I'm using the dealer tools. So let's see now what will happen. Ista A. That's for diagnose. This is a diagnose procedure. In it, maybe we're gonna get something called initialization. Maybe only initialize. We're gonna read the code first. Here it say system malfunction. I'm gonna wait for this to come on. So you're gonna read the information or just go to operation and then read vehicle data. I'm gonna double click here to make it bigger. On the far left side, now you're gonna read vehicle identification without test. You're gonna put the icon. Oh, the car is running. Okay, they give us. Click here. عرفتنا هنا كيف؟
جيت له سويت مرسيدس.
Yeah.
جبت عربيتك هناك.
Huh?
جبت عربيتك هناك. نعم, I only came here like a few times. That was
Yeah, that was the guy, the other guy. Where he is? The boy that was working here.
Oh yeah, there was
Okay.
ماله.
ده غير الهيدلايت.
Programming.
Yeah, the headlight have to be. Check the interface. Interface is good.
الزول جاب لك الهوندا في السايد وورك.
Huh?
كان جاب لك هوندا في السايد وورك.
Aye.
امبارح ضرب لي.
Uh-huh.
وبالليل ده قال لي اللي انت كان بتاع برمجت المفتاح لمرته. Like 2 weeks ago.
No.
برمجت Toyota RAV4 كده. الزول اللي عنده.
Okay, I tried to communicate with that one. It doesn't work. I'm gonna come back with Autel Max 6, which I was able to read the information.
جيب عربيتي وجهها.
Yeah, bring it the sun. I'm gonna say okay. And I'm trying to read to see if I have a function for this here, which I supposed to get it. If I get it here, I will be very happy. Headlight initialization. We already have a brand new headlight. I tried to communicate with that one. I don't know why it doesn't want to communicate. I'm able to communicate with this one here. It's 2016. It is not. It is up to 2015, 14, but it's supposed to see it. So I'm gonna go to. Let me see. Diagnose. Control unit. Body. Headlights. Or footwell module maybe. Because I believe it's from the footwell module responsibility of the headlights. The footwell module. But let's see what's going on. See power window driver, initialization. Okay, anything? You see? Low beam, left faulty, reverse light faulty, a lot of stuff here. Bus line or a lot of codes. Let me clear this code first. Let me see now what code is here. Fault in headlight in driver module left. Headlight driver module left. Report permanent. It says there is a fault. So let's see what's gonna happen now. Escape. Active test. No, let me go back. Hot function. Hot function. I'm gonna try to see if I can do something with hot function. Headlight, headlamps, initialization, headlight driver module and teach in. Why not? LED are now taught in. HTML. This process take about 6. A port is with fault. The left hand has a problem. The LED in the left headlamp has not been adopted. The LED are not taught in. The ST left hand lamp driver module will not work correctly. Okay, check the connector and everything. It looks like there is a problem there.
المشكلة؟
Yeah, LED light has been. He says his function is complete. Now let me see now. It doesn't work? There's a... Okay. I don't know.
Wi-Fi?
No, mom. It looks like there's a problem.
The module, right?
With this module is brand new, right?
Huh?
The module is brand new?
Yeah, that piece brand new. Everything else is original.
No, the computer is on the light.
Yeah, but this computer right here, it only control the ring
Okay.
and the light.
Yeah, I know. But
HID is separate. The bulb is separate module.
Yeah.
I know. But what is not working now?
The side LED.
The side LED is not working, right?
Yeah,
That means this piece
all these works.
this piece is original,
That's the original one. Yeah.
but this not affected, right?
Huh?
It didn't get affected,
Yeah,
did it?
it got hit. Because
Oh.
you got hit in the front. It broke some of the pieces. See the tab?
Oh,
is
okay,
broken.
okay, yeah.
See
Yeah.
that tab is
That's
on
what is
this?
your mind, you know?
Because when this thing get hit, it shakes it up.
Yes. Yeah, I see.
The signal, that has nothing to do with the signal. Regular.
Is the signal working now?
Yeah.
Signal.
No, the signal been working. The signal is a regular.
It's working like in marbles. It doesn't
Oh,
stay
okay,
on.
but
Yeah, that's regular.
yeah, because it giving me that there is a code here. There is a code here in the system. Finally, we are able to communicate with the car. Finally, I don't know what happened, but I tried to program it with the Autel. It says it doesn't work. Maybe there is a problem. So we are diagnosing this car completely. We're gonna see what happened in all the aspect of the diagnose, and I'm not sure if this thing need a programming or just like that. But I use Autel. First I was not able to communicate with this car. Now I'm able to communicate. Still also I see the charging system is very high, 14 point something. But that's not my concern. My concern now is we need to see why the headlight. You see this car here? We have STMR and STMR right, STMR left here. If you push, because we're still reading here, I cannot check this one right now. So we have to wait. This is a car, F series, F10 sedan, 528i X drive, N20 automatic US. We're gonna wait. We have 38 codes. Before it doesn't want to communicate. Maybe the connector was not in all the way. But this tools is good. Right now I'm gonna see why. Because we try to code it. It doesn't want to code. So we are going to program everything. You see, this is a headlight driver module left side. Okay, I'm gonna display full memory. You see, control is not encoded. That means before you do anything, you cannot initialize it. You have to code it first, and you have to initialize it. This is, like SHD, no current coding data stored. On the left side, it was not even coded. So what you need to do is, before, we have to go and code it first. We have to code it. So I'm gonna leave this one alone. Disconnect it, turn it off, or just leave it. Do I have a battery charger good? If you want to know why, just go to calculate test plan, and then the test plan will tell you what happened. Also here we have a code for LVD, initialization new headlight driver module and teach-in turn indicator, initialization the headlight driver module and teach-in LED indicator. But coding also is not yet coded. Light control module, headlight driver module. We have some codes. So let me see what to say. I'm gonna click here. Let me see what is gonna happen. What's the problem? But the initialization is not yet. Encode the following module. So the module must be programmed first. So what we need to do is we have to leave this video. If you want, I'm gonna put another link to watch the second video, but what I know is we must code it first. So I'm coming back. Okay, we are again still on this car. I brought my AutoHex with OBD2. I disconnect this one here. We know what the problem now. We try to code it. So let me go to AutoHex here. AutoHex. Be sure you have internet. Yeah, I have internet. I took it from my Wi-Fi. Now we need to HTML. We have to code it. Coding and programming. The car is running, voltage is 15.8, that's too much. Let me just turn the key off. Ignition have to be on. 16 is too much. 13 is okay. We need to code that computer first. After that, we can initialize it. That's why maybe it doesn't want to take any programming. So now we finish here. I gotta go to individual programming and coding. This is a car, the information. I will click OK. I need that module if it's available. What is LMV? No, I don't know what that means. Maybe I have to code the frame control module. I don't see something here, but let me see what code I have. Let me go to coding only.
When the people like that don't force.
Do I have to do the frame module encoding? I don't believe so. There is something have to be code. If not, I gotta run a complete diagnose. Part 1. I don't know what that means. Complete. Exit. So let me go back. Diagnose. 5 series. F10. Let me diagnose it first. Okay, let me see quick test. This will tell us what is it.
You know why?
I don't know what happened. Car access. Roof, thermal cluster. Controllers. Lit, seat module, front passenger, footwell module, air condition. I don't know where that code is. 5 error. Car access. I'm supposed to code something. Maybe there is no need for that. Maybe I have to do something else. Okay, for this car, we come to conclusion that there is a problem with the headlight front left. Either the part they put it is not the right one, or something gotta be wrong. So what we're gonna do is we are going to put the old one back, and this computer here, we are going to put the original one back. And if the housing need to be adopted, we're gonna adopt the housing. It say that there is something broke here. I don't believe there is any pin broke here. When we take the old one, we're gonna know that if anything broke. I don't believe only this piece broke. So this one's supposed to be okay. So let's put this in and see if the light works. We're gonna do the initialization of the piece and we're good to go. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe and share and see you in another video.